Struggling to rebuild muscle strength after 60, you're not alone, friend. And here's the real kicker. The answer might already be sitting in your kitchen pantry. Most folks our age know about exercise and protein, but only a handful realize that certain natural powders can supercharge recovery, ease inflammation, and bring back muscle strength in a big way. Here's the deal. Muscle loss after 60 sneaks up faster than you'd think. It's called sarcopenia, and it's not just about looking a little frailer. It can mess with your balance, your mobility, your energy, and even your independence. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on 3 powerful, natural powders that are helping seniors like us rebuild muscle faster and smarter, without fancy diets or pricey supplements. These aren't some exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. Nope, they're backed by science and time-tested traditions. And they work to jumpstart muscle repair, protect your joints, and make your body better at using protein. Whether you're already active or just starting to pay closer attention to your health, adding these powders to your daily routine can make a world of difference. But there's a catch. Not all protein sources or so-called superfoods are created equal. If you're just tossing basic protein shakes into your cart or skimping with over-processed products, you might be holding yourself back without even knowing it. That's why this video is a game changer. We're not just telling you what works, we're breaking down why it works, how to use each powder, and how to sidestep the common mistakes that can make them less effective. If your muscles aren't bouncing back like they used to, or if you're feeling more tired, achy, or weaker in your arms or legs, it's time to take action. These powders have helped countless seniors reclaim their physical strength, and they can do the same for you. Stick around to discover what they are and how to use them to get results. Let's kick things off with a real game changer for rebuilding muscle after 70, whey protein. Now, you might have heard of it being a go-to for bodybuilders or athletes, but here's the secret most folks don't know. Whey protein is one of the fastest absorbing, most bioavailable complete proteins out there. And for someone like Martha, a spry 72-year-old who loves her morning walks, it's a total lifesaver. So what makes whey so special for aging muscles? It's packed with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, which is like the ignition key for muscle repair and growth. As we get older, our bodies aren't as quick to rebuild muscle tissue. That's why even small daily wear and tear takes longer to bounce back from. Whey steps in like a trusty handyman, delivering a concentrated dose of muscle repairing nutrients right when your body needs it most. But here's the catch. Timing and quality matter. To get the most bang for your buck, sip on whey protein right after some light activity, like Martha's daily stroll through the park, or make it a morning ritual. You don't need to hit the gym like a 20-year-old to see results. Even gentle movement paired with a whey protein shake can kickstart recovery and help stop muscle loss in its tracks. Now, don't just grab any protein powder and toss it into your coffee. A lot of store-bought options are loaded with artificial sweeteners, cheap fillers, or low-grade protein your body can't use well. Instead, look for whey protein isolate or concentrate from grass-fed cows with a short, clean ingredient list. Aim for at least 20 grams of protein per serving and mix it with water, almond milk, or a smoothie with fresh fruit and spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Beyond stronger muscles, whey helps you feel full longer, so you're not reaching for those mid-afternoon cookies. It also gives your immune system a lift with its natural glutathione-boosting properties. Studies show it can even slow age muscle wasting, especially for seniors like Martha, who sometimes struggle to get enough protein from regular meals alone. And it's one of the easiest, most effective additions to your daily routine. If you're new to it, start with half a scoop and see how you feel. Martha loves blending hers with a banana and a handful of kale, or stirring it into her oatmeal for a protein-packed breakfast. Just be sure to drink plenty of water alongside it, especially if you're ramping up your protein for the first time. Bottom line, whey protein isn't just for gym buffs. It's for anyone who wants to stay strong, steady, and full of energy as they age. Use it right and it'll help repair muscle, improve balance, and keep you moving through life with confidence. Next up is a quiet powerhouse that's making waves for folks over 65, collagen peptides. You might know collagen as the go-to for glowing skin or healthy joints, but here's the real scoop. It's a secret weapon for keeping your muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and resilient. For someone like George, a 68-year-old who loves tending his backyard garden, collagen peptides are a game changer. As we age, our natural collagen production takes a nosedive, leaving us with stiffer joints, slower recovery, and muscles that don't quite hold up like they used to. Collagen peptides are broken down collagen that's easy for your body to soak up. They deliver key amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, that rebuild the connective tissues holding your muscles together and help them bounce back after a day of activity. This is huge for seniors like George, who sometimes deal with nagging muscle soreness, creaky joints, or that lingering stiffness that just won't quit. What really sets collagen apart is how it strengthens the connective tissue that wraps and stabilizes your muscles. Think of it like reinforcing the scaffolding around a building. Even if you're getting plenty of protein from your diet, collagen peptides add an extra layer of support to prevent strains and make every movement smoother and steadier. So, how do you use it? Collagen peptides are practically tasteless and dissolve like a dream in hot or cold liquids. Stir a scoop into your morning coffee, blend it into a smoothie, or mix it into a bowl of oatmeal or soup. The trick is consistency. Think of it as a daily habit that builds up benefits over weeks and months, not a one-and-done fix. Studies suggest 10 to 20 grams a day for noticeable results. George swears he feels less joint pain since adding collagen to his routine, and he's not alone. Many seniors report moving more comfortably after a few weeks. If achy knees, stiff hips, or fear of injury are keeping you from staying active, collagen can help rebuild the cushion and flexibility you need to get back out there with confidence. And when you're moving pain-free, everyday activities like walking, stretching, or digging the garden like George become easier, keeping your muscles engaged and strong. Here's a bonus. Collagen peptides also boost bone density. Strong bones are the foundation for sturdy muscles, and research shows collagen can improve bone mineral density in older adults, lowering the risk of fractures or falls. For the best results, go for hydrolyzed collagen peptides from grass-fed animals or wild-caught fish. Some blends even toss in vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen work its magic. So, if you're battling slow recovery, joint discomfort, or just feeling weaker in your arms and legs, collagen peptides might be the missing piece. They're not just about muscles. They support the whole network of tissues holding you together. For seniors like George, that kind of full-body reinforcement is worth its weight in gold. Let's wrap up with a plant-based powerhouse that's as mighty as it gets, spirulina powder. This deep green algae might not look like much, but it packs a nutritional punch that can supercharge muscle repair, fight fatigue, and boost circulation. 3 things that matter a ton for staying strong past 70. And take Ellen, a 71-year-old who loves her weekly yoga class. Adding spirulina to her routine has been a total game changer. Spirulina is a natural, complete protein, meaning it's got all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle. Even though it's plant-based, it rivals many animal proteins and how well your body can use it. For seniors, like Ellen, who prefer lighter plant-based options or find heavier proteins tough to digest, spirulina is a convenient, nutrient-packed solution. One of its biggest wins for muscle health is its sky-high iron content. Iron is critical for carrying oxygen in your blood, and without enough, your muscles can't get the oxygen they need to perform or recover. Low iron is common in older adults, leading to tiredness, shortness of breath, or weak muscles. A little spirulina can naturally boost healthy red blood cell production, giving you more stamina and strength from the inside out. But wait, there's more. Spirulina is loaded with magnesium, potassium, B vitamins, and antioxidants like phycocyanin, which dial down inflammation, speed up muscle repair, and shield against oxidative stress. These nutrients don't just help you recover after a yoga session or a brisk walk, they also ease chronic aches that might make you hesitant to move. Here's another perk. Spirulina ramps up nitric oxide production, which opens up blood vessels and improves circulation. Better blood flow means nutrients and oxygen reach your working muscles more efficiently. For seniors, this is key, as sluggish circulation can slow recovery, trigger nighttime cramps, or leave your hands and feet feeling cold and tired. How do you use it? Spirulina comes in powder or tablets, but the powder's easy to mix into a smoothie, juice, or even a small glass of water. If the earthy taste is too bold, blend it with orange juice or a pinch of ginger to smooth it out. Start with half a teaspoon and work up to a full teaspoon daily. It's so nutrient-dense, a little goes a long way. Quality matters here. Stick with organic spirulina tested by a third party to avoid heavy metals or toxins, which can sneak into lower-grade algae products. For seniors, spirulina isn't just a supplement, it's a full-body recovery tool. It fights fatigue, boosts immunity, strengthens muscles, improves circulation, and goes easy on your stomach. Now let's zoom out. Keeping your muscles strong as you age is one of the most overlooked keys to thriving long-term. Weak muscles don't just make daily tasks harder, they raise your risk of falls, injuries, and losing your independence. Exercise is crucial, but so is nutrition, especially what you choose to fuel your body with every day. Too many of us unknowingly shortchange our strength by leaning on meals low in high-quality protein, essential nutrients, or anti-inflammatory compounds. But with the right choices, even simple additions can make a big difference over time. Whey protein delivers the amino acids your muscles crave for growth and repair, especially after a light walk or physical therapy. Collagen peptides support not just muscles, but also joints, tendons, and bones, so you move easier and recover faster. And spirulina. It's a plant-based powerhouse with protein, iron, and antioxidants to beat fatigue, tame inflammation, and keep your circulation humming. And the best part? These powders slide right into your daily life. A scoop in your morning smoothie, a shake after a walk, or just mixed with water and a splash of lemon can start shifting how you feel, move, and perform in just weeks. Consistency is the secret sauce. Your body needs steady support to rebuild what time and age have worn down. Think of these powders not as miracles, but as loyal allies in your journey to reclaim strength, energy, and confidence. So, if you're noticing walks feel tougher, your legs tire faster, or recovery takes longer than it used to, don't ignore those signals. Start weaving these natural powders into your routine and pay attention to how your body responds. You might be amazed at how much strength you can regain when you give your muscles the nutrients they've been craving. If this video hits home, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and drop a comment below. Have you tried spirulina, or are you curious to start? Your story might inspire someone else to take that first step toward feeling stronger again. Keep at it, fuel your body right, and most importantly, keep moving forward.